In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Stripe support quickly and efficiently. Whether you're facing technical issues, have questions about your account, or need help setting up a feature, knowing how to reach Stripe support can be incredibly beneficial. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. This will take you to Stripe's homepage. Once you've arrived at the website, look towards the top right hand corner of the page. Here you'll see the sign in button. Click on that to proceed. Now it's time to log into your Stripe account. Enter the email address and password associated with your account in the respective fields. Double check to ensure everything is correct, as this will save you any potential hassle. Once you've done this, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your Stripe activities. After you've logged in, you should be on the home page of your account. Here you'll need to look for the help icon. This is typically situated at the top right corner of the page, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on the help icon will open up several assistance options for you to choose from. From the drop down menu, select Support Center. This will navigate you to a different section of the site, tailored specifically for customer support. Here you're given two main options to connect with the support system, either through support articles or by contacting the support team directly. Next, click on the support team option. It's important to note that some support features, including certain contact options, might only be available if you are operating with live accounts, so if you're on a test account, you might not see all the available options. If you're exploring support articles, you'll find a wealth of information that can help you troubleshoot or better understand specific Stripe functionalities on your own. However, if you need personalized assistance, you can scroll down and click on Contact Support. Here you'll find a space to choose a topic or question that best describes your issue. Taking a moment to select the right topic helps direct your query to the most appropriate support agent or resource, potentially speeding up the resolution process. And there you have it, those are the essential steps to successfully contact Stripe support. Knowing how to navigate their system can save you time and effort, ensuring that you receive the assistance you need when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.